Hi everybody. I never vlog. I've never claimed to be a vlogger, but for some reason I really wanted to do vlogmas this year. I just thought it would be fun. I have a pimple patch on my face. Please ignore it. It's Oscar the Grouch. Actually, don't ignore it. Look at it. It's kind of cute. I'm taking it off. It looks like a piece of poo-poo or something. I think the main reason I don't vlog anymore is because I live at my parents' house again. I'm gonna do a Q&A because I think you guys are really confused about what's going on in my life. Honestly, me too. Just with like a bus update that'll make me want to cry. Why I'm still living at home and like what's going on from there, because there's a lot of things happening right now that I just don't talk about online. What's happening right now? I'm editing. Freaking desktop is. So this video just exported. I use Premiere Pro and it was always so awful. I'm also watching Not So Blonde on YouTube right now. She's my favorite. So I'm gonna upload this video because the brand had some things I had to change up. Later today, I think we're gonna go look at a house. Hopefully I talked about that in my Q&A so I don't have to like talk about it again now. But Ernie's got training. He graduated his first like session the week before Thanksgiving, and it was just like basic obedience, which he already knew. It was more just like solidifying that like you trust 100% of the time he's gonna do what he's supposed to do. I've talked about this before, but Ernie's like not good with strangers. He doesn't like strangers petting him, and he like will leave somebody alone if they like come up and talk to me on the street or if somebody walks in the house. But he wasn't like 100% okay with people like going to pet him, and now it's like, I mean, I've learned to vouch for my dog to not let people like go and try and shove their hands in his face because he'll just bark at you. And then also he's better now about like holding his own until I step in. So there's that. The life of an Ernie. And now he's gonna go into off-leash training, so that's exciting. I literally forgot how to vlog, you guys. I've already been talking for 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut a lot out, but I guess I'll talk to you guys when we go see this house, and maybe I'll talk more about budget and stuff like that later. Vlogging queen. Also, I'll show you my outfit because right now we are in PJs, so maybe filming like this will make me get dressed. I have like good ideas, I think, for vlogmas. It's not just gonna be like everyday vlogs every single time, because was my hair like this the whole time and nobody told me? That's so embarrassing. Realistically, I don't do a lot during the day. Like, I spend probably 8 hours a day editing and filming. Way more than that. I'm gonna be showing like an updated skincare routine and then makeup routine and those kind of things because I feel like that's just fun and you guys have been asking for it, and before it didn't feel like something I wanted to do on my channel because I really like filming fashion videos, and if I'm only posting twice a week, I want to post the videos I want to post. But if I'm doing it every day for vlogmas, I have more time to get in the fashion videos I want, and then also videos you guys have been requesting. But the reason I'm talking about that at all right now is because I need to show you guys this. This is lanolin. It's nipple cream, and my lips were getting so chapped probably a month ago, and they hurt so bad and they were bleeding. And Shoshi, you guys already know Shoshi, I'm pretty sure. She's an esthetician. She has a YouTube channel. Everybody bully her to post. She said that lanolin is like the main ingredient in most chapsticks, and it's what like heals your lips, and you can get this giant tube of it on like Amazon or CVS or whatever, and I think it's like 10 bucks, maybe it's less than that. Makes your lips so soft and it actually repairs them. Nipple cream. How cute is this set? It's from, you guys are kind of low, I'm sorry, I'm new to this. It's from Who What Wear. I'm doing a TikTok with them, so they sent me some stuff to style for like the TikTok, but I just want to wear this because it's so cute. What am I doing today? Going to dog training. I wear my Uggs every day, but I think I'm gonna wear my tennis shoes. I've been knitting these little headbands because Jenna Phipps did a tutorial. I'm obsessed with her. in all her videos and everything she's ever done. I made like 6. They go over your ears. Perfect for bad hair days and cold weather. My jacket's downstairs, so I'll show the full fit probably when I leave. You guys are gonna start to see that my room is never clean. And I never make my bed. Yeah, and that window doesn't close. Last minute touch-ups to this video. I'll probably do my makeup because I'm gonna film later anyways. And then it'll probably be time to go. And then you guys can come with us. So I'll see you in a bit. Aww, that's cute. Why do they like to break everything up?
That's how the old, I think because you had so many people living in a house. Like, you know, you would have 2 kids in a bedroom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is so, look how tight that is though.
Look at that, sun. Everything looks old, but I like it. Why do they do this?
But
This feels so weird, having a room off the kitchen. Cute.
a lot of people. This is
So
that's
cute.
very fun. And this is cute too, right?
Yeah, that's huge. I'm pretty sure the basement's really big in this one. This is a really nice size, like...
Yeah. This is a better way to take it though, because you can see what you're doing. You know?
This doesn't work. What was this?
That was the milk.
Why in the back? What do you guys think? Should I buy this house? I don't have any money. It's sad though, I hate that somebody's gonna come and gut this.
Huh?
I hate that somebody's gonna come and gut it.
Yeah, they will. But they made some modifications too. Those doors are all new doors. They're not the original doors.
Yeah, but at
The
least
doors
they didn't gut it
were
and make
like
it
this.
silver and white and marble.
Yeah. Oh God, I know. If I see one more gray house
I know,
with white tile.
I know.
Like our bathroom
That's what makes me
upstairs, isn't that
sad.
funny?
Hi friends. So I didn't really explain looking at houses. I haven't really been approved for like a mortgage yet. Getting a mortgage and taxes are weird when you are self-employed. So it's a little bit harder for me to do those things than somebody who just has like a normal salaried job. I decided that I think I want to buy a house, Michigan, close to where my family is, because I don't know, that just seems like the best thing right now. I want to be close to all my friends and still close to like Detroit so I can go out with them and stuff. I don't want to live in an apartment again because I have Ernie and he's a pit bull, so that makes things way harder for no reason. And then also I just want him to have a backyard. I've always thought I wanted to live like on a really big property though, and I still do want to do that, but right now that's just like gonna happen. That's something I'm gonna have to work up to, which is totally fine. So that's that right now. This will just be like a starter home and something I can afford right now. And obviously Brandon will be living there with me, and then obviously Ernie. But I don't know if it's gonna happen anytime soon. It's really easy to look at houses though with my mom because she's a real estate agent. So like going and looking at that house today, I knew I wasn't gonna put an offer in it or buy it. I'm not even approved for my mortgage yet, but I kind of want to just see what's around me, what I like, what I don't like. I've lived in the same house my whole life and I just don't know what I want. And just to see like what we think I'll get on a mortgage and what I can afford. It's nice to see what I think I can afford to like kind of spot a good deal or not good deal. I thought that house was really cute though. I didn't really like the neighborhood though. There was that. We found a house like a couple days ago and I'm in love with it and I want this house, but somebody put a cash offer in it. Your girl can't compete with that. Yeah, if you guys are interested in prices and stuff like that, I can let you know what we're looking at. But also, I don't even know if I'm looking at my price range right now, and I don't know if I'm looking way below or way above my price range just because I think I'm gonna wait till like this year's taxes are done, because 3 years ago I made literally no money and I need my last 3 years of taxes, so I might need this year's taxes to kind of boost up what my mortgage will be. So it might be a long time till I get a house, but luckily we have this studio that I'm gonna get. I just can't work. I can, and I have been, but it's starting to become annoying to work, sleep, live my life in just this bedroom. I really just need a space to go do my work, or even to have like privacy with me and Brandon where people aren't walking in and out of my room all the time, or just privacy by myself. I'd like with the studio. Now I gotta edit this Q&A, which I'm really not excited about because I talk a lot and I know I'm gonna cut it all out and it's gonna turn into a 2-minute video, and it was 30 minutes. Hi. So I am getting ready to go to training right now, and I just finished editing this video because it has to go up tomorrow, and we're already at almost 11 minutes, and I know I'm gonna need content for the next month. So I want to end it here, and then I will do Ernie's training in the next video because I don't want these vlogs to be too long. You're gonna get a new one every day. I talked a lot in this vlog, but that was because it was the first vlog where I'm like talking about myself in a really, really long time. I've only talked about fashion on this channel for a while, so that's that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for Vlogmas. Make sure to comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this vlog, or if you have any tips or tricks on what I should do to make the next one better, because I'm not a vlogger. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my god, bye.